Welcome to The Explainer. Today, we're diving into a framework for creating offers that are so good, people would actually feel stupid saying no. This isn't about some new sales trick, it's about a complete mindset shift on what value really is. And it all comes from entrepreneur Alex Hormozi's blockbuster book, $100 Million Offers. So let's kick things off with the big problem that Hormozi's framework was built to solve. It's like this silent killer for so many businesses, a trap that countless entrepreneurs fall into and they don't even see it coming.
I mean, this is the question that keeps business owners up at night, right? You've got a great product, you're working your tail off, but actually growing the thing feels like pushing a boulder uphill, and the profits are just thin. So what is going on? What's the real problem here?
Well, the answer is almost painfully simple. Most businesses fall back on the same old playbook. They just try to be cheaper than the next guy. And that single decision kicks off this incredibly destructive race to the bottom.
Hormozi calls this the vicious cycle of price. And you can see how it works. You put your price, which obviously eats into your profit margins. Now you've got less cash to invest in things like great customer service or a top-notch team. So the quality of your service starts to slip. What happens then? You get unhappy customers, bad reviews, and suddenly it's way harder to get new clients. The only move you feel like you have left is to drop your price again, and the whole thing just spirals down and down until the business just isn't viable anymore.
So, how in the world do you get out of that trap? Well, the solution isn't about playing the same game, just a little bit better. It's about playing a completely different game. And it all starts with creating what Hormozi calls a grand slam offer. Here's the big idea. Instead of decreasing your price to get someone to buy, you dramatically increase the value of what you're selling until the price almost becomes irrelevant. You're not trying to be the cheapest option on the market, you are trying to be the most valuable by a long shot. And this quote just nails the distinction. Look, everybody wants a bargain, right? But a bargain is not the same thing as being cheap. Getting a Ferrari for 50 grand is an incredible bargain. Buying a beat-up old Honda for just a little more than it's worth, that's just a transaction. The whole point of a grand slam offer is to create that Ferrari-level gap between the price and the value for your customer.
Okay, so how do you actually build an offer that has that much value packed into it? It's not just guesswork. It really comes down to a simple but really powerful formula that you can apply to literally any business.
And here it is. This is the value equation. This one little formula has the entire philosophy baked right into it. It tells you exactly which levers you need to pull to make your offer something people just can't say no to. So let's break down each part and see how it works.
All right, so the top half of the equation, this is what you want to maximize, to pump up as much as possible. First, you've got the dream outcome. How amazing is the result you're promising? And second, the perceived likelihood of achievement. How confident is your customer that you can actually deliver on that promise? This is where your guarantees, your testimonials, your social proof, all that stuff comes into play. Now, the bottom half of the equation, this is what you want to minimize. You want to shrink these down as close to zero as you possibly can. Time delay is just how long it takes for the customer to get that dream outcome. And effort and sacrifice is how much work they have to do to get there. Hormozi argues that the most dominant businesses are completely obsessed with this bottom half, making results faster and easier for their customer.
Now this is where the equation really clicks. Think about it. Both the gym membership and liposuction promise the exact same dream outcome, getting in shape. So why will someone fight you over a $40 a month gym fee, but happily write a check for $40,000 for liposuction? It's the equation. Liposuction offers a way higher perceived chance of success. It happens in hours, not years, and it requires almost zero effort from the patient. It absolutely crushes the bottom half of the value equation.
All right, so we get the theory behind the value equation, but how do you actually do it? Let's walk through Hormozi's practical 5-step process for building your very own Grand Slam offer. So Hormozi gives you this 5-step roadmap. Step 1, you got to get crystal clear on your client's ultimate dream outcome. Step 2, you brainstorm every single problem, every roadblock, every little frustration they might run into on their way there. Think of everything. Steps 3 and 4, you take that list of problems and you turn it into a list of solutions, and then you figure out how you're going to deliver each one. Maybe it's a checklist, or a coaching call, or a bit of software. And finally, step 5, you trim away anything that's low value, and you bundle all the highest impact solutions into one big, irresistible package. The whole process is designed to make success feel practically guaranteed for your customer.
Okay, so you've built this incredibly valuable offer. Now comes the big question. What do you charge for it? The core idea so far seems to be stack the value so high you can command a huge price. But Is that the only way to create an offer people can't refuse? Let's do a little reality check here. I mean, in its purest form, this is the philosophy. Create so much value that your price exists in a totally different universe from your competitors. The high price itself becomes a signal that, hey, something special is happening here.
But let's look at the other side of the coin for a second. The source material itself brings up a really good point. Some of the biggest companies on the planet built their empires doing the exact opposite. So how do we explain that?
This shows us that there are really two different paths to making an offer so good people feel silly saying no. The Hormozi model is perfect for these niche, high-value, boutique-style services. But you've got giants like Walmart and IKEA who got to the same place by being so incredibly efficient that their prices are just unbelievably low for the value you're getting.
So here's the real takeaway. It's not actually about being high-priced or low-priced. Both of these strategies work for the exact same reason. They both create a massive, undeniable gap between the price you're asking and the value the customer is getting. That gap, that value discrepancy, is what makes an offer irresistible.
And this quote pretty much sums up the entire mindset. You can sit around and argue about how things should work, or you can understand how human psychology and value perception actually work, and then build a business that uses that to its advantage.
So ultimately, this whole framework leaves every single business owner with one really powerful question to think about. Are you slowly bleeding out in a race to the bottom, or are you competing in a race to the top of value? Because the path you choose is going to define everything. Thanks for digging into this with us.